What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Grace. How are you all doing? Zanzay. Happy holidays, everybody. I hope you guys are doing good and enjoying your holiday. Well, in today's tutorial, your girl is back here with another balm. I'm going to show you how to make your own shampoo at home. Your own hair growth shampoo at home. This hair growth shampoo is 100% like guaranteed to grow your hair. So if this is what you're interested in watching, please stay tuned and let's watch our intro. And of course, these are the ingredients. You need half a cup of castor liquid soap. You need fermented rice milk. You need apple cider vinegar. You need this kaleidoscope. That is optional anyways. You need castor oil. You need coconut oil. You need fenugreek seed. If you want to use the powder, that's fine. If you want to use the seed, that's fine. You just have to soak it and blend it and you can add it up, but you know, the powdered one makes life easier. So you'll need your measuring cup. I'm using half cup because it's easier for me. Everything I'm using here is gonna be like half, 1.5, so I decided to use the half. Now I'm going to put in one half cup of this castor liquid soap, and then I'm going to put 1.5 cups of my fermented rice milk here. If you want to know how I make this rice milk, I have a video where I made it, or I'm going to put a link up there so that you can tap on it. Then I added 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then you need 10 drops of this kaleidoscope oil. Is optional. I just decided to add it because miracle drop. I just add it because I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I decided to go get it. So it's not like compulsory. Then I put 1 tablespoon of castor and coconut oil. I didn't add any other oil, coconut oil to it because that has oil. So I added 20 drops of Ayurvedic oil, powerhouse oil, and then, like I said, I added 1.5 tablespoon of this fenugreek powder, and then a 1/4 cup of my aloe vera juice. So I just measured it into this because this is the containers I'm gonna store them in, and then I just pour them into my blender and I blended it in a low speed for about like 5 minutes. I think just like 5 seconds or something, yeah. And then I just transferred it back into the container. Why I blended it is because I couldn't find my hand mixer, so I decided to blend it, you get what I mean, so that fenugreek seed could just be powdered, could be melt or whatever. So that's the reason. So this is the container, and for the storage, you can actually put it in the fridge, because I would recommend putting it in the fridge because of the fermented rice milk in there. So but look at how creamy that shampoo is, and it's super slippery. It will make your hair feel super good and super nice, I promise you. So now I'm going to just do the practical aspect of it. Is I have to use it on Chima. Like, this is episode 3 or I think it's episode 3 of Grow My Daughter's Hair With Me. I'm making all those things at home just to teach you all how to grow your daughter's hair. So this what I just did was just to run a warm water on her scalp, just to open up the scalp, right? And before I started washing the hair, a night before that, I had already pre-put her hair with oil and leave-in conditioner. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, you might have seen it in my stories where I pre-put her hair So I have pre-put it, and now I just add some warm water on the scalp, on her hair, just to open up the scalp, and then I started applying this shampoo to her scalp just to wash out every dirt in there. And guys, look at how foamy that shampoo is. Like, this is one of the inventions, or one of the things I do and I feel so satisfied. I feel like, Grace, you are doing so good, so well. And if you need shampoo, and if you need shampoo, hair growth shampoo, you feel like you cannot do it, your girl sells, right? I sell the stuff. So if you are interested in buying, please send me a DM on my Instagram. I will put in my Instagram handle, down there, so that you will follow me there, and then get it. Yes. So this is how foamy this shampoo is, and I guarantee you will never regret it, because it's sulfate free, it's chemical free, everything is so natural, and everything you're using in this is just a guarantee, like guarantees hair growth. Like, you could see how Chima's hair is blossoming and feeling so clean and super nice. So for the conditioner, I just went with a random conditioner, but this conditioner has my rice milk in it. So yeah, I added rice milk to it, and I also fermented rice milk to it, and also has some essential oils, beneficial oils for her hair. So when I applied it, I just combed her hair out. I just want to show you guys what her hair feels like when I'm combing it. Like, she's not screaming, like she's not, because the hair is super soft, right? Look at how grown Chima's hair is. She's suffering from a lot of shrinkage anyways. So once I'm done, I left the hair for like 5 to 10 minutes, then I comb it again, and I put them into this little box braids, just to stretch the hair out for my braiding, because Chima is about to do her hair style. I have to style her hair, so for it to be stretched out for the style I want to do, so I need to put it in braids like this. So this is the end of the tutorial. If you watch this tutorial down to this point, I mean, you are the real MVP, yo. I love you so much. Thank you, because my subscribers is going higher and higher. I mean, and the views are coming. I enjoy it. I'm so blessed to have you in with me, right? So once I was done, everything is self-explanatory. I just rinsed the water out, and there is still some residues of the shampoo in her hair. That was why I braided it. So then after, I just applied the kaleidoscope miracle drops on her hair, on her scalp, just to her hair, so that her scalp will not dry out, and I massaged it into her scalp. So happy Christmas in advance. I love you so much. See you in my next tutorial. Bye. Take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place.